Brinkz, the official channel for the Brinkz project. All right, we were taking a 10K challenge and we're going to go ahead and push it all the way up to $1 million in funding for the project. So let's begin. Continuing off of our previous video, we have closed out those trades for the Australian dollar. We entered in around this position down here, got a nice run coming up, took out these highs, pivot highs. Now we're having a pullback here, coming back to this pivot area that we are currently looking at. So what I've done is that I went to one of my other trade setups here. This is the breakout trade setup where we'd have the breakout up above, test back. Normally we may have a line up here where you would be able to see that the market came down to a structure. Let's get rid of this Fibonacci here so that you can be able to see a little better. So we had this previous high up arrow. Then we had the breakout above. During the UK session, we had a pullback down back into this vicinity. And now what I'm looking at here is that we're still having a continuation of this up move, that we would get a further push up. So I went ahead and placed some trades for the continuation of this pattern. We're down about $1.72. The risk on this is about 1%. All right. So the prop firm challenge here is currently moving in a manner where it is about to go back above the starting balance, because we were down previously on a few of our trades last week. Not all signals are perfect, but it was a pretty good signal, I must say. It was just in the trade for an extensive amount of time, and then the news about Israel and the bombing caused the market to make that dip and took me out of the trade. So we're currently here on our official Twitter website where you can be able to mint one of our Brinkz NFT. The link is in the description below so that you can be able to join our group where you can get these signals first, and also take advantage of our trading positions that we're giving our customers and our community when you enter. So that's the trading position on that. Let's go through some of our peers here. We did have the Euro USD. I did enter a test trade with this on the demo just to see and feel more how this pair runs before I actually go live on it. The pound yen was perfect. We had a signal here after a nice double bottom around the 618 50% area, which some traders would call the golden zone. Piercing candle, and then around the European session we had this signal. I was asleep, so I wasn't able to take advantage of it, but it was a great run going up. I believe I did enter a demo trade in there before I fell asleep, and it ran about 100 and something pips, which was great. On Solana USD, we do have a pullback coming down here, maybe around to the 141 area here, around where the 618 is, testing the back of this downtrend line and then possibly making a curve to head up. Bitcoin also the same position. We have the breakout of this down move on the 4-hour, then this up move that took out this high and tested this one, pullback. So we took out this pivot low, and maybe this one we may be coming back around to this 50% area, which is about 62K, before possibly heading back up, making a higher low. We have to see. how that market plays out currently. We're in a down, we have a